You post a picture and one of your friends says, "You are looking so pretty." One friend says, "You are looking okay." One says nothing. जो सबसे ज़्यादा trigger करता है, I know. So, I know, you don't trust only one response. You will see all response, then you will decide whether you were looking pretty or not on that picture. So, that's same in reassemble learning. And before dig out into it, let me tell you, I'm khushigrewall. I'm an engineer working remotely and living in farms. It's okay, never mind. In machine learning, instead of relying only a single model, we combine prediction from different models. And then each model sees the data differently and makes different mistakes. And when their output are combined, random error cancel out and our prediction become more reliable. So in real life as well, if you are getting one bad response on your picture, doesn't mean you are ugly, bro. You looks every time so pretty cutie.